Hi, ladies and gentlemen. If you're into the hobby and want to get your kid introduced into the hobby, this is a kid's metal detector. They come in many different types, and this one here, we're going to open up, show you what you get inside, and give you a demonstration from adults' point of view at a beach. So let's get right into the opening. Important information inside the manual that you will go over at your leisure. You get a 3-finger rake, a spade with a measuring, as well as a little rubber area and a area in the handle that you could put string on as well. The metal detector comes in pieces that you're going to assemble. So you're going to make sure you have this piece on correctly at one end that it screws in, and you're going to place on your rod and adjust it to your kid's level. You want to make sure that this faces the correct way when you are going over the sand. On the bottom, going to be two little knobs that you're going to tighten down. On the cord, it's going to be some Velcro that you're going to open up, and you're going to adjust it accordingly and place over. On the unit is going to be the LCD screen that you go look at what you're scanning. You get a nice carrying case, a duffel bag that you put everything in, along with the carrying strap handle. Locate the handle. Over here, there is a screw that holds on the case that you're going to unscrew, lefty loosey, righty tighty by following your thumb. As you slide off the actual door, it takes a 9-volt battery that you're going to supply. They do not include a 9-volt battery. As we match up the correct ends, plug it in. We put in our battery, slide our case on, make sure the screw does not interfere, and close on down. This is the on and off. This is the speaker area, and this is a green and red LED. You're going to hear a couple of beeps when I turn it on and turn it off. Take note of the screen. It is looking, shows you the battery indicator and searching for metal. Your kid's going to hold the control like so. The base is going to stay level to the ground like so. This is waterproof, 100% IP65 rated, and it is not 100% waterproof on these two items. And the way you're going to operate this unit is you're going to move it back and forth. And when you hear the beeping sound of metal, give you a demonstration. It'll warn you of metal. If you look at the screen over here and you pass the metal through, it may be difficult to see, but you see a difference of the screen. This is why it's important to go over some of the instructions and help out your child to better understand how a metal detector may work. What you may want to do is to have some fun is take some coins, bury them in your backyard, not too deep, deep enough that they could find, or some type of items. Remember, there are rocks that will make this detector beep. This is a way to get your kid out there in the field. We're going to demonstrate for you the metal detector. Okay, what we're going to do is going to scan. See if we could find a coin. This is for a kid to learn how to metal detect. And it's showing. And I buried a coin right over here. And there we go. Let's dig. Oh, look, a quarter.